A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Living the Code, Stronger Than Yesterday. Ladies and gentlemen, there lives within every being a silent code, not imposed but revealed. It is not scripted by culture, tradition, or commandment, but sensed in still moments when something deep within whispers, "This is true." To live that code is not to seek perfection, but to choose alignment, a conscious movement toward one's higher self, stronger, clearer, more luminous than yesterday. In this alignment lies the quiet power of transformation. Throughout time, sages and scientists have spoken of alignment, where the body, mind, emotions, spirit, and aspiration converge into coherence. Today's science echoes this ancient knowing. Neuroscience reveals that thoughts shape neural pathways. Epigenetics shows that genes respond to belief and behavior. Heart-brain coherence, now measurable through rhythm and frequency, proves that inner harmony fuels resilience. The Bhagavad Gita reminds, elevate yourself by yourself. Do not degrade yourself. The self alone is the friend of the self, and the self alone is the enemy. In this profound teaching lies the essence of living the code. One must be both seeker and guide, student and witness, choosing with awareness, acting without attachment, and aligning with the inner call that mirrors universal truth. This path belongs to no one single tradition. It belongs to all who choose presence over impulse, coherence over chaos, and evolution over stagnation. What's the way forward? Yet to walk this path and live it requires energy, not merely physical strength, but emotional energy, the current behind clarity, courage, and conscious action. Without it, intention flickers. This energy flows from the cosmic field, abundant and infinite, designed by the master intelligence that placed the sun not only at the center of the solar system, but at the heart of all life. The sun is not merely a source of light. It is a living transmission of vitality and rhythm. Through sunrise presence, circadian alignment, devotional awareness, and brain entrainment via prayer, music, breath, or silence, the inner sun begins to awaken. Energy gathers, thought becomes steady, the self reorients. This practice, done with sincerity, births coherence across every plane. The body becomes capable, the mind becomes still, the heart becomes expansive, the soul becomes radiant, and the life becomes purpose-led. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, to live the code is to live in harmony with what is eternal, luminous, and true. A path not of conquest but of quiet mastery, not in resistance to the world but in resonance with the higher order that sustains it. Strength develops with every sunrise. When one honors the light, follows nature's rhythm, and bows in devotion to the cosmic source within. And in this journey, one never walks alone. For as the Bhagavad Gita declares, when a person is devoted to the path of self-mastery and acts with inner harmony, the divine takes care of what is lacking and preserves what has been attained. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.